Hey everyone, welcome back to Begin AI Verse. Did you know that 99% of beginners diving into AI have no idea what they're actually doing? They try to use AI tools, but they don't understand how they work, what they're capable of, or even what AI really means. So in this video, I'm breaking down the most essential basics you need to know about AI, without the fluff, and without the complicated jargon. Let's turn you from confused to confident. Let's go. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is AI? When people think of AI, they usually picture tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney. But artificial intelligence goes far beyond just generating text or images. At its core, AI is the ability of machines to learn, reason, and solve problems in ways that resemble human thinking. Now, in this space, there are three main types of AI you'll often hear about. The first is narrow AI. This is the kind we use every day. Tools that are really good at one specific task, like writing content, generating images, or converting speech to text. Next, we have general AI. This is the idea of an AI that can learn and understand anything, across any subject, just like a human can. But to be clear, that's still theoretical. We're not there yet. And finally, there's super AI, an intelligence that surpasses all human capability. Sounds like science fiction? That's because it still is. Super AI doesn't exist yet, at least not in the real world. So, to keep it simple, the tools you're using today, like ChatGPT, Midjourney, Mirth, Hagen, they're all forms of narrow AI. They're powerful, but they come with limits. Now let's talk about a term you've probably heard a lot: machine learning. Put simply, machine learning is when an AI system improves over time by learning from data. Think of it like learning to drive. The more you practice, the better you get. It works the same way with AI. For example, Monica AI can learn how you usually write emails and help you write faster in your own tone. Gamma, on the other hand, gets smarter at suggesting slides based on how people interact with it. Nothing magical. That's just machine learning doing its job. If you're new to AI, there are a few basic terms that can be confusing at first. Prompt refers to the input or command you give an AI, and the clearer your prompt, the better the result. Model is basically the brain behind the tool. ChatGPT, for instance, runs on a model called GPT-4. Then there's fine-tuning. That's when you train a model further so it performs better in specific fields like medicine or law. And finally, there's hallucination. That's when an AI confidently makes something up, even if it's completely wrong. And trust me, it happens more often than you think. Just by understanding these few terms, you're already ahead of most beginners. But here's the thing: don't put AI on a pedestal. These tools don't actually understand the world like we do. They analyze data and make predictions based on patterns they've seen before. That means they can be wrong, biased, or outdated depending on the data they were trained on. So don't blindly trust any tool. Think of AI as a smart assistant, not an all-knowing oracle. So how do you actually get started with AI the right way? Easy. Don't sign up for every trending tool out there. Start with what you actually need. Need to summarize long documents or write emails faster? Try Monica AI. Want to turn your notes into beautiful presentations? Slides AI or Gamma are great options. Looking to turn blog posts into short videos for TikTok or YouTube? Vizard or Creo can help you do that in minutes. Want to create animated videos from text prompts? Check out Pika Labs or Magic Light. But above all, don't just click buttons blindly. Learn what the tool is doing and how it works. That's how you really take control of the technology. If you've made it this far, congrats. You now understand more about AI than most beginners out there. But this is just the beginning. AI is evolving every day, and what matters most isn't keeping up with every new tool. It's knowing what you're using and using it to actually make your life or work better. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe so you don't miss out on more practical and easy to understand AI content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.